Stop right there. You went through a lot of effort to arrange this meeting. But before we go any further, answer my question. Who the hell are you?
Why don't you tell me who you are first?
In a world full of suspicion, treachery...
Right. I followed the freedom.
If that's true, who told you?
I helped.
We'll look into that. Last question. Why are you here?
I tracked down and killed a courser at Green Tech Genetics.
You have what?
I didn't know we were having a party. What? Oh, I see you invited the Courser killer.
Deacon, you're late.
Newsflash, boss. This guy is kind of a big deal. If you're done interrogating him, you might want to show this Courser murdering machine a little courtesy, Just a thought.
I owe you an apology. Anyone who kills I'm Desdemona.
Hopefully we can work something out.
What's your
Des, we need to let him in.
That
To hell with...
We're letting you into our headquarters.
Right.
We having fun yet?
Talk to the boss.
You need something?
Tom, our visitor here has a Courser chip.
Whoa! For real? Oh man, it's been ages!
Right. Some ground rules. Tom can get you the code, but once he's done, we get the Courser chip.
Fine.
All right.
Alright, little Courser chip. Let's have the circuit analyzer take
Don't try anything, stranger.
Hey, don't try anything, stranger.
I thought this was a secret thing. Drummer boy said the Deacon is a synth.
I don't know. Maybe.
What? You don't believe Drum?
What? Oh man, don't crash. Hold it together. Memory hiccup. Here it comes. Encryption algorithms. Alright, we're still running.
He's a synth.
Oh man, they've added more decimals to the last cipher. This is gonna be... Come on, baby, show me that pattern. Where is it? Wait.
There's no way Deacon is...
Commencing recurrence analysis using de Brovian method.
Don't try anything, stranger.
Soft in. Come on. Show me that sweet bass note. Come on, baby. Then we got it. We got the code. Let me load that onto the holotape for ya.
Good
It's
work,
in the
Tom.
entry.
Yeah, but...
Uh-huh.
Start working on the rest of the chip.
Uh-huh.
And you. But to be crystal...
Scarecrow's gotta be alive.
Scarecrow's not on Carrington's list. He's probably dead. Don't try anything, stranger.